Kill if we have a matic and wave to looking at the pocket, we have a license plate of wire ramp on our Fred to bus it.
Big up PJable TV. Big up PJable TV.
When you did younger, you did like people call your nickname, like game you like gimmicks you?
Pastor, I know say, one boy, about three of them, sit down on wall in, and see me a pass. I come down. Now we are dread. I may never like it. I may not answer him. Me a pass up there then, see them. Now we are dread and a skin out in teeth. I set on the other one for me now to come style me now. And me I say, Jesus God, I bet you this rascal has start this morning. I bet no, I would want evening. And we were brown dust, you know, brown dust. And master, I come down on my yard, fill me machine, and go back up there. And when I take him ras, you know, man, he jump off my wall in. And then the other one is scatter me. I run him right round the whole of flats. And when he say, me this child, a man head back in yard, you know, man, and run in a yard, you know, and run in a house and lock the door. 2 rubbish pan, they over on the other side. I want to see them gate. And me chop up the 3 rubbish pan and cut from 6 o'clock in the night, right back till 6 o'clock the morning, till the light. And his father come out the morning and come up in my face. I said, me must move and engage. And I walk up in his face and said, do what you do fast now, man. Do what you do quick now. Him said, me see a trouble you look, you know. Me see a trouble you look. And I walk away. And he stopped, you know, boy. The man, his father and the people, them tell him, say, listen. The man cause whole this man not righted. This man is a madman, and he ain't do nothing, right? We no business we do no because we no system no conscious, because no sensible man have a cause whole fucking night till daylight. No man, and he stop, you know, and tell me and him a laugh friend now.
So that means you don't love nobody calling a nickname.
Nobody no like Alias name, man. Nobody not like it. Nobody not like it down to yesterday. One woman we make you talk to me up where she there yesterday. And when we go on, me say Blanche. And I say, you need me to no call me Blanche. Me say what me must call you. You can't come and say Miss Blanche. Me say what you want me do. Put pillar in front of you and bend down and pray to you. No be your name. Hey. That woman, some man did it. One boy sit down there. And when she start tell the boy how me stay. And when me start talk to the boy, me see one other man come on and say a female woman. And me say, listen boy, how you mean you're a woman? If you get fucked, me I forget you know. You hear me I want you. Remember, most of you is pussy watchman, you know. Right? The woman no concern me and it no concern you. And when you get for your fuck, one where you going and make me get fucked, you know, but that day I watch her and I say, me no forget none, you know, me kill your ass clat, yeah? I say, you get me, I forget, you know, boy. You get me, I want you? Okay.
you ever get beaten for broke crackery and plate and anything there?
Boy, me a linger on the yard, you know, sir. Me a linger on the me about 12, 13, me start bush, you know, man, and let God shoot. Sometime, you know, rain fall and me know if you see fucking bush them when me asleep with up and me go run up all the hog. Anyway they get the lay down and record them. Me go run them up and just to which part then lay down warm no ras, you know, man. And when me run up the cow and sometimes me lay down the rata and me say to how they warm. Me fall we asleep and when me wake, rasclat. All 9 o'clock people pass already to rasclat and see me there. Shame. Jesus God. When me wake and see Howard. I know say people pass and see me there already. Lord have mercy. Me no go up and road till night, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, me tell you, man. Right now, if me go up on road a day, I make one eye see me. Then say rascal, they must study me now. I wish part me really they asleep because they want catch me. And your police know where you asleep. You can't get to any rasta. You know the fucker them study about that. You can't make them know where they know where you asleep. Them bound to catch you, you know. They know what time to rap on, you know. Yes, man. Hold on. I say if you have animal a bush, or you climb a tree, or you go drag, you can't have a one pants where you put on. But you can't go pants more than what dress you have. You're trying to be a man, and won't try to be a first class woman. You believe any sensible man a look at a woman in a pants? Any bridge we blow through your pussy, you know? Why you think, say? We not see period, you know, right? We not see period, right? No. When you wear dress, why you think dress woman neck wear? After breeze blow through him pussy. So when you wear pants and lock in the fucking scent, right? Plus, you see which part the zip starts show from? There's always a bump. There where the zip starts show from. And me realize the woman them wear the pants so tight. That's that bump there. I touch them glitter. So when him a walk, that bump there rubbing glitter and it's sweet him. It's sweet him to rascal to say that he no one wear frock again, right? Because while him a walk, him a get him fucking on. While him a walk, him a get his sweetness. Because the bump, the right pan glitter. And I rub it and it's sweeter, right? So me say make woman start wear bumbo cloth pants. They no one wear just again rasta. And imagine a man pants maker. Just very principle out here, right? In Africa, them wear robe, right? And man who don't want to say, the man them a batty man because them a wear frock. We say no. They have on pants under their robe, you know.
Yeah.
The man them have on pants under their robe, yes. And the woman them alone wear robe, but it's long way down at their hands. You hear, sir?
Yeah,
so
man.
then can sit down anyway and have enough cloth to cover them up, right? You know, hear the music say woman a capture man nowadays, them a wear short frock up above them, if they bend, you see their legacy. If him into a bus, he can't sit down straight, him a twist and a turn and a cover down, right?
One day, you know, when me a little boy,
yes,
I pass, me I go to my auntie and me pass, some man sit down our tree road, our roadside. So me see a black scandal bag in our road. You know, like people tie up newspaper and it.
Yes, sir.
I mean a kicky bag. Me never know some man them with their tree road and watch me a kicky bag, you know. I mean kicky bag. Till me reach way up the road now.
Yes.
I when me look through a whole bag, no whole heap of paper money in it. And when the man then see me bend down to take up a bag, he say, "Care back, you what's it, you." Them know say I feed them money, you know, but them a watch me a kick it see if I go take up your road already. If I saw little bad.
So hold on. So a bait they want bait somebody while then drop it there?
Yes.
But them out of order man impertinent because no I'm dead in my blood clot looking up because if you did have all your nozzle. And he must say that to you see? And when you look at money, you see? I just show you the liquor and you know understand and just throw money in my breathing and you see it now. You know so what you do?
Me can't go give them if I some bad boy them that just take your run with it.
Oh my God, I see him rascal thing. You get fright, you get coward to rascal. That's you know see what you do. Cause you know say if you grab up and run to rascal then after you so I see him thing me I tell you. Say money we put you in a ras.
Me have to hide.
Same damn thing. You're right. Because imagine if them put it there to beat somebody, then you couldn't take it, you know. Because, no, And you them no say money, they wouldn't say nothing to you. Right? But when you go here, when you go hear a man call to you, Ross Clot. You better return it, you know, my brethren, because same thing me I tell you, say, the boy sell me rascal wire. I make the man and find out, and he no do nothing, you know. Besides carry the man and me and wait, I say, I may have it run on me yard back. And just if I see that, my brethren, rascal, me no hesitate, you know, so I go feet and carry go give man and me answer, because me don't know what next, you know. Right?
Yeah, man. You'll link you later, you're not it.
All right, man. Love, man. Give thanks for your call, man. I know we hope you hear, sir.
Yeah, man. Be careful out there on the road, all right?
Yes, man.